guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you my Tikid makeup tutorial. So, ayan guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, I'll be using Eskinol Pimple Fighting. So far guys, okay naman sa akin tong Eskinol Pimple Fighting and it's really effective. It really removes some dirt, excess oil on my skin. So guys, kahit na nagsabon ka na, meron pa rin talagang dirt na naiiwan sa skin natin. And I'm glad that I found this best Eskinol na hiyang sa akin guys. So that's it. So guys, next naman na ilalagay natin sa aking skin is Olay Natural White Moisturizing Cream. So, okay naman to sa akin guys. It gives instant whitening to my skin. It's very affordable and I believe ito yung bagong labas ng Olay. So, ayan guys. So guys, ayan, hindi naman siya sticky. Okay na okay siya sa akin. Sakto lang yung texture niya. And it's blendable. Hindi siya nagbubuo-buo sa skin guys. So, you must give it a try guys. Gagawa pala ako ng review nitong Olay Natural White. So, ayan guys. And tama lang siya sa aking complexion. Since maputi naman ako, hindi naman obvious yung kulay niya. So, ayan guys. So guys, next I'll be using Osher Facial Cream to my face. I really like this one guys. It gives natural, fresh looking to my skin. So, ko guys ng review out. Osher Facial Cream. So, makakapagpakinis siya ng skin guys. It can really lighten your skin tone, remove your wrinkles, and even your acne scars. And it can dry up your pimple guys. So, I really like this one. So, I'm using it on my... So, ayan guys. So guys, if gagamit kayo ng Osher Facial Perfume, using upward stroke lang kataas yung pag-apply. I'm using my finger. So, okay naman siya. So guys, next I'll be using Ever Belena Gel Type Lip Tint in the shade of Splash Red. So, I like this one. It gives natural looking to my cheekbone. And it's really blendable and pigmented. So guys, ayan, ang nice naman na ilalagay ko sa aking skin is Louis and Pearl powder. So for me, it's really nice. It gives natural fresh looking to my skin. So perfect siya pang set as powder. So ayan guys. And it's really cheap guys. You can buy it all leading supermarket nationwide. So, every time na ginagamit ko to guys, hindi na ako pinagpapawisan. Kasi meron siyang oil control. And yun yung nakakapag-smooth ng skin guys. So, ayan. Pinatap ko lang sa skin ko. And so guys, ayan. Gagamit ako ng Apollo Petroleum Jelly as my lip balm to my lips. So, even our lips needs preparation bago tayo maglagay ng something sa lips natin. So guys, ayan, naglagay din ako ng Apollo Petroleum Jelly sa aking taas ng cheek para magmukhang fresh looking, glossy look yung ating face guys. Next naman guys is gagamit tayo ng Ever Belena in the shade of dark brown eyebrow pencil. So, nalaman ko to kay Ate Ann Blutes. Ito yung kanyang ginagamit sa kanyang eyebrow. Mura lang, only 75 pesos from Robinson. And ang gagamitin kong brush is brush na to guys. So, gumamit eyebrow pencil, gamay nyo na guys para mas madali nyo siyang maiyap nyo. So guys, ito na siguro yung pinaka-easiest way ng pagkikilay nalaman ko kay Ate Ann Blutes. So, inuunahan ko muna yung sa ilalim ng eyebrow. And then, gagamit ako ng brush pang fill in. So, ayan guys. So, hindi ako makapal mag-eyebrow guys. At saka gustong gusto ko itong eyebrow pencil ng Everbelena in the shade of dark brown. Hindi siya mapula. Hindi din siya ganun ka-brown. So, sakto lang siya. Just like what Ate Ann Blutes said on her video. So, ayan guys. So, i-brush ko na siya dun sa dulo. So, guys, dun ako sa dulo nag-start kilay. So, ayan. So guys, ayan, maglalagay ako ng Petrol Jelly Apollo pat mata bago ako gagamit ng eyelash curler. Para magmukhang malaki yung ating pilik mata at magmukha siyang light. So, ayan. So guys, next, I'll be using Magic Lipstick of Everbelena in the shade of I Like. So guys, yung kulay nito, I really like it. I really love this Magic Lipstick from Everbelena. While and I bought it for only pesos. Pero guys, yung original price niya, 25 pesos. So, if you like it guys, go to the nearest packet of stick. So, that's it guys. So guys, ayan, naglagay ako ng magic lipstick sa aking talukap. So, wala tayong eyeshadow palette. So, eto na lang guys, para-paraan. So guys, that's it for today's video. That's my tipid makeup tutorial. So that's my finished tipid makeup tutorial look for this day guys. I hope you like it and I hope na nagustuhan niyo tong aking tipid makeup tutorial video guys. And gustuhan niyo to guys, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up guys if you like it, and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe to my channel guys para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago kong videos. So, that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys and see you on my next video. Bye guys. God bless.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko o aking gilid.